Hey, this is a tutorial on how to use the checkout feature of the Auctioneer Toolbox app. You can get to this by clicking the hamburger menu in the top left corner. You can switch between cataloging items, checking out, and viewing recent images. From the recent images, you can save images to your phone or delete them off the server. Now, if we go into the checkout app, I see a list of all the options. I can pull invoices, save invoices to the server, refresh the auction list, and refresh the invoices list. I've already done this previously, so everything is already up to date. I just click into my auction, and I can see here the invoices and the paid status, the picked up status, and the signature. Now I see this invoice at the top here is paid, so I can just click into it, and I can have the bidder who's picking up their invoice sign here. I can click that I've accepted the invoice, and also put in a note that people on the admin side of the website will be able to see under private comments. Now, if I go to the invoices list, I can now see that it's paid and it's signed for. And if I go onto the website, I can confirm it as picked up. And then if I refresh this list, then I can see now that's changed to a green 0, and that means that there are no lots left to pick up from this invoice.